Alright, so we're 6 weeks in, and I'm actually halfway through my long service leave, so halfway through working on site, and I'm having an absolute ball. I can't believe I've still got another half to go, because every week is just a new adventure, so can't wait for what the rest brings. But this week, great week. We've probably got about 3.5 days in actually this week, because a lot of rain, a lot of mud, just makes everything, just ruins everything, ruins your progress, ruins your tools. Rain's not fun. But also, with the lockdown being announced, Gene took a day off today because he needs to rest his foot, and I was very encouraging of that too. But I worked here on my own today, just doing some bracketing and a bit of painting, and man, it was lonely. I'm so used to having him around. It was so lonely. At one point I was eating my lunch and I just forgot he wasn't there. Oh man, have you seen this one? I'm missing. He's back Monday, but it's been a great week. So, bit of an update for you guys. Al fresco roof rafters have been done. So this looks really great. That's all the al fresco area covered, and also the meals area has been done across here, and we've framed out where the windows are going to go, and also the doors. So pretty good way that Gene came up with doing this. So you make a template and then use that template to make the rest. So yeah, great little lesson there. So it was Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday was a great day. So we did the frames for the garage on Wednesday. So let me show you the garage. The trusses are up as well. So Wednesday we got the frames done. We've braced them all as well. And we've also got the trusses. Trusses was Thursday. So we did the roof trusses on the garage. All the other trusses are out here too, and we've got the rest sitting on the second story ready to go for next week. We've also done the trusses for the porch. So very excited. Getting that steel up was quite amazing actually, because Gene had this way of doing it with 2 trestles and an aluminium plank, and he used a hook and tackle it's like a pulley system basically, and you pull the chain, and when you pull the chain it slowly raises it. Incredibly efficient, so really great. So yeah, excellent week, but yeah, sad that it's a lockdown, and I mean construction can still keep going, but yeah, our feeling for everyone who's had to cancel plans. I had to cancel a boys weekend. I was supposed to go away this weekend and I was really looking forward to it, so we'll have to reschedule that, but first world problems really. So anyway, enjoy the footage and we'll see you guys next time. I'm amazed at that mechanism. Well done, Gene.